Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Paint.net in your computer in a very simple way. It's a beginner-friendly image editor that is far more powerful than MS Paint. So it's a very simple to install and download. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Paint.net. Click enter. Click on Paint.net download. And from here you can simply select scroll down a little bit, simply click on this one, click on close, and over here you can simply select this PaintNet, close, and from here you're going to get the download option over here. You can see, click on the folder icon, here's a zip folder, click extract all, here it is. If you now click on it 2 times to install, there will be a permission, click yes. You can simply close all the background tab right now, close it, and now you can simply click on the continue options and downloading PaintNet. And as you can see, your PaintNet is rightly installed. So now if you click on next, click on I agree, next, preparing to install. Now you can simply click on finish, and you can see here is your app is rightly open in your computer over here, PaintNet 5.1.12. So yeah, this is you can simply download and install PaintNet in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.